In the last video, you learned about the quiz settings or quiz details in a Canvas quiz. In this video, we will show you how to add individual questions to a Canvas quiz. To do so, select the Questions tab at the top of the quiz settings page. From here, you will select the plus New Question option. From here, you can select what type of question you want to ask. From the drop-down, you have an option to select a multiple choice, a true-false, fill in the blank, fill in multiple blanks, multiple answer, multiple drop-downs, matching, numerical answer, and a formula question. All those are going to be self-graded by Canvas. Essay questions and file upload questions are graded by the teacher using Canvas's speed grader. A text question is just going to be a simple text with no answer. It's not graded. In this example, I'm going to show you how to add a multiple choice and then a true-false question. To do so, the Rich Content Editor will appear. I can copy and paste text or add images or documents or even do an audio or video recording. I'm going to show you a document that I have. These are the two questions that I'm going to include in my quiz. So I'm going to copy the question and I'm going to come over here to this tab and I'm going to paste it right into the Rich Content Editor. So here is my question that I was able to copy and paste. Again, using the Rich Content Editor, I can change the color of the text. I can make it bigger. I can highlight it. I also want to add a picture to make this question just a little bit more appealing. So I'm going to come over here, select the images, and select Upload Image. The image I'm looking for is already stored on my computer. So I'm going to upload that image right into this question. I'm going to select Upload Image. I'm going to find that image. And I am going to submit it to that question. So here's my question, here's my image that will appear. I can also change the question title. So if I wanted to be more specific and call this question the Gettysburg Address, or I could put in a standard here. I could leave it blank. There's lots of options. Over here on the point value, you can change how many points each question is worth. In this example, I'm going to leave it at 1 point. Next thing I have to do is put in the answer choices that I want students to see. So I'm going to go back to my document and I'm going to select the answers by copying and paste them right from this document. And the last option. In order for Canvas to grade the question, I have to tell Canvas which is the correct answer. So right now, it's showing that this is the correct answer. Okay, we know that that is not the correct answer. So what I have to do is select the arrow to show that this is the correct answer for this question. When I have the question the way that I want it, I'm going to select Update Question. I'm going to add a new question. And in this case, I'm going to do a true-false question. So from the drop-down menu, I'm going to select true-false. And I'm going to go back to my document here and copy and paste this question right here. So true or false, a score is 80 years. Okay, we do know that that is false. So I'm going to put my arrow by false. If I wanted to explain, if I wanted to give the students more information if they select the wrong answer, I can click on this little box and type in what is the correct answer. Okay, that's just a little bit if you want to do that. That's an option. So I'm going to select done. I'm going to click on update question. So I now have 2 questions in my quiz. I can show question details if I want to look at that. Something else that we highly recommend is looking at it in student view. So to do that, you select settings and then come over here to student view. When I select student view, it's going to put this nice border around to show that you are actually in student view. Now that quiz was included in a module, so I'm going to select my modules page. And my quiz is going to show up because it is a published quiz. Select Take this quiz. This is exactly what the students are going to see. So it's always recommended that you just check to make sure that everything looks the way that you want it to by using that student view. To leave student view, you just come down here to leave student view, and we're going to navigate away from student view. And I can now take a look at my quiz. If I need to edit it any further, I can select the edit and go through those exact same steps. Here's my settings of the page. And also, if I wanted to add some more questions, I can click on the questions tab and proceed on. So that gives you an overview of adding questions to a Canvas